Today we're going to be talking about unveiling the secrets of hair system fittings. Now, some of you would have seen hair system fittings, but some of you will not have seen hair system fittings, especially those who are on the fence about hair systems. You're not quite sure whether you're ready to take the leap right yet. Well, this video will give you some actual footage so you can see how it all works and hopefully put your mind at ease. Before we crack on, I'm going to be doing a review on this particular hair system in the next couple of weeks as well. This is the Lavivid Tyler hair system. I'm about 2 months into it right now, so it feels like a good time to sort of give it a good review. I'm pretty happy with it so far, but I'll really critique it and give you guys some insights, my personal opinion on it and who it might work best for. Now we're going to be looking at hair system fittings, in particular my hair system fittings. So this was a video I did a while back on TikTok, but I know a lot of you don't follow me on TikTok, so I thought I'd transition it over to YouTube so you can actually see it. Now it is sped up and slowed down at points during the video. It's not a very long video, it's about 3 minutes long, but I'm going to talk you guys through it and basically explain every single thing that the hairdresser is doing so you can get a greater understanding of how it all works and how it could work for you if you haven't had this done before. Okay, so you can see that I am in what I call the dentist chair. It's not really a dentist chair, the hairdresser's chair. And this is my stylist, Myra. Information on her is in the description box below if you're London or South East England based. She's very price competitive and she's very good. So what she does is she starts by removing the hair system that I came in with. So she uses this adhesive remover liquid, which is really effective at getting, and this tape was strong. This is a lace front, that's very strong tape. So she always pulls that off first, and then she shaves the balding area, which is where the new hair system's going to go on the scalp. So she shaves that super close so I can get the longest time out of it, and then she cleans it with alcohol and more adhesive remover. And then she puts this stuff on it. She said it's like a sort of clay, it's like a detoxing sort of thing. And then she starts going around, because I always like a skin fade on the side, so she always starts going around with the clippers just to trim the sides really short. I've got trichotillomania, which means I've got hair pulling conditions, so I need the hair short on the sides. And then she starts blending or doing a skin fade, which I really like. I just think it's really trendy, and I'm not too old to have one, despite what people might tell you. Now, this is scalp protector. So this basically protects your scalp from any irritant effect of glue or tape when it's attached to the hair system. I find it really useful. I also find it really improves the adhesion between the hair system and the scalp itself, alongside reducing irritation, itching, and so on. Then she's drying that with a hairdryer to speed up the curing rate. It's a really good idea if you want to save some time. And then the new system comes on. So this system has been basically glued. So I think she used Ghost Bond for it. But yeah, this is her. She always does it sort of back to front, basically, to make sure that she's got the front lined up and the back lined up. And then she just starts cutting the hair system. She doesn't do anything fancy. She just uses normal scissors to actually cut it. But she always blends it really well. This is why I like her so much and how good she is, because her blending with the natural hair on your sides and the hair on the system is so important. So as you can see, it's a lot more shorter. It looks a lot more natural here, as if it's actually hair that belongs to my actual head. Then what she's done is, when the length is about right, she always asks me how long I want it on the front. So she cuts it to that specific length. And once that's done, it sort of comes down to sort of styling, hair drying. The reason it's gone super slow-mo is because this is from a TikTok video. I do apologise about that. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you can find me, Hair System DIY. A bit of a shameless prop there, but go along. There's some good hair system content. And then, yeah, that is the mirror that I always look in to make sure that everything looks fantastic. Very happy with it. So, yeah, guys, that is basically, from start to finish, what it looks like if you were ever wondering what a hair system fit-in looks like. That's what it looks like. The thing is, I remember I saw one of these before I got my first ever system fitted, and it was, I think it was a lace base anyway. And whenever you get your first system, it looks like a massive curly rug, and you're like, how on earth is this going to be made to look normal on my head? Have faith. Have faith, guys. Don't worry. Everything is going to be okay.